How do you identify different types of carp? Have you ever found yourself by a lake, wondering what type of carp you just caught? Identifying different types of carp can be an exciting part of your fishing adventure. Let's break down the key features that will help you distinguish between the most common types of carp you might encounter. First up is the common carp. This fish has a heavy and long body, making it quite robust. Look for large, regular scales that create a consistent pattern across its body. You will notice two barbels on each side of its upper jaw, which help it sense food. The color is usually brassy olive on the back and sides, with a yellowish-white belly. The dorsal fin is long and has between 17 and 21 rays, often with reddish or yellowish hues. These fish can grow quite large, with some weighing over 60 pounds. Next, we have the mirror carp. This species resembles the common carp but tends to be fuller and rounder. Instead of a uniform scale pattern, mirror carp have irregular, large, and patchy scales. You will also find two barbels on each side of the mouth, just like the common carp. Their color is generally similar to common carp but can appear lighter due to the scale pattern. Mirror carp are popular among anglers for their unique appearance. Then there is the leather carp. This type is quite distinct because it has very few or no scales at all, giving it a smooth, leathery skin. They also have barbels near the mouth. Leather carp are a genetic variation, making them a bit tricky to spot at first glance. You might also come across linear carp, which are similar to mirror carp but have a distinctive linear scale pattern. The scales form a straight line along the back or side of the fish, and they also have barbels. Another interesting type is the fantailed carp. This one is unique due to its long, flowing fins, especially the tail fin. Fantailed carp are quite rare and considered a genetic mutation found in various carp types. Lastly, let's talk about the crucian carp. This fish is thicker and more robust than common carp and lacks barbels around the mouth, which is a key identification feature. The scales on a crucian carp are smaller, and they can come in bright colors or more muted earth tones. They are usually smaller, weighing only a few pounds at most. When identifying carp, start by examining the scale pattern, as this is often the easiest way to tell them apart. Check for barbels near the mouth. Their presence or absence can help differentiate carp from related species like crucian carp. Observe the body shape and size. Common carp are typically longer and leaner, while mirror carp are fuller and rounder. Pay attention to fin characteristics, especially the dorsal fin length and shape. Color can vary, but it is less reliable than scale patterns and barbels for identification. Knowing the habitat can also help. Common carp prefer large rivers, lakes, and impoundments with productive waters. By using these physical traits and observations, you can confidently identify different types of carp on your next fishing trip.